how to get free stuff on Temu app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can earn free gifts on Temu. So in order to get free stuffs on Temu, what you'll have to do is you can get free stuff on Temu by following a various steps, or there are various different ways on how you can get all sort of gift. So first thing, you can just go ahead and earn a gift card automatically by signing up to Temu. If you're a new user and that you've recently created an account, then you must have already got some certain amount of points or free gift on the Temu in creating Temu account. And now you can also use the pay in app games like Fishland, Farmlands and Hattrick to earn free gifts item by referring new users to Temu. And apart from it, you can also check out the free items and giveaway page for freebies that does not require friend ref and all that information. So that's basically how you can get free stuff on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.